Let's get you up to speed on today's market action. We're still looking at losses across the board, although we are well off the lows of the day. You can see the Dow still off just about 64 points. We were off over 300 points at the lows of the day. S&P now off just about 0.5%. NASDAQ 100 off about 0.4%. Those two averages were off over 1% at the lows of the session. Russell 2000, that small cap index, off over 1% today. I want to pull up this Philly semiconductor index because that is bucking today's downward trend and moving to the upside, up nearly 1% today. The action in the bond market is really a focus here in today's trading action. You can see the 10-year yield up another 9 basis points to 3.79. The 5-year yield also pushing to the upside, as well as the 2-year. We got some hawkish comments from St. Louis Fed President James Bullard. That's really driving some of today's action. Taking a look at the sector action, all 11 of the S&P sectors moving to the downside. We're looking at the biggest losses in utilities, consumer discretionary, and also real estate. Taking a look at some of the big stories of the day. First, let's pull up the NASDAQ because a bit of a mixed picture in the NASDAQ 100. You're seeing Apple still hold on to gains up just about 1%, but Amazon, Tesla, Google, Nvidia among the names moving to the downside. Also, the semis, I mentioned the fact that the Philly semiconductor index holding on to those gains today. You're seeing a number of the larger chip makers here, Taiwan Semiconductors, Qualcomm, Intel, among the leaders in today's action. Then we continue to get some more reports from some of the larger retailers, and taking a look at some of the largest outperformers today. It's all about Macy's. You can see Macy's jumping just about 13% on better than expected results, as well as Kohl's. Kohl's up nearly 4% in today's action. Rochelle?